Hi, I am Payal Mazumdar from Lexis and Company. Today we talk about the topic of essentials of defamation. To constitute defamation, there are certain things. First is making a defamatory statement either orally or written. A defamatory statement must be made against someone either oral like slander or written like libel to constitute an offense. Any such defamatory remark must either be made orally or in written form. Both oral and written statements are taken as to constitute the offense of defamation under the IPC. For example, A published a false information stating B has forged his documents to procure his job is defamation. Now, the second is the statement must be a false accusation. The defamatory statement made must not be true. It must be a false accusation by the concerned person. Had the statement been true, it would be been a substantial claim for defense. There must be falsity in the statement, otherwise the statement would not be amount of defamation. Third is intention to impute harm or tarnish someone's reputation. The person making such a defamatory statement must cause or intend to cause harm to a person or his family members. The person making a defamatory statement must have done it with the malified intention of harming one's reputation. Next is publication or communication of the false statement. For a false accusation to amount to defamation, there must be an element of publication. Publication does not necessarily mean a statement published in a book or a newspaper. The defamatory statement must be in such a state that it must be noticed or likely to be noticed by a third party. Next is publication must have been noticed by at least one third party. When a defamatory statements get published, it should be noticed by at least one third party other than the addressee. The statement is not to be read and intended to be read by any other person other than the person against whom the allegation was made. It is necessary that the writer intended the publication to be read by or ought to have been read by any third person or persons. Defamation under these things are come under some essentials. If any of the doubts regarding this, then please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much.